today we are going to do Algerian cooking. And the topic is couscous.
Couscous.
Okay, now let's get the ingredients
ready.
Okay, over here we have the vegetables. This is green beans. In Berber. They're called Louvian. Over here, these are carrots. These are carrots. But in Berber, like she said, Zudia. This is onion. In Berber, they're called lufsul. Over here, this is the meat.
Hold on, you haven't finished the vegetables.
Oh, darn. This is garlic. I don't really know what it is in Algeria.
Fish earth.
Oh, fish earth.
Yeah.
Here is the celery. We're going to move on to this one now. This is meat. And in Berber, exum. Here is chickpeas. Over here, these are the spices.
That's the mixed spice,
Yeah,
Algerian
the mixed
spices.
spices. They are Algerian.
Got a name is Ras El Hanout.
The name is called Ras Al Hanout.
Yeah.
Some people think these are eucalyptus leaves, but I don't think they are.
They're called bay leaves.
They're called bay leaves.
We have a little tree here of bay leaf.
Oh
You
yes!
see it there?
You see it there, kid?
That's a branch.
It's a branch.
That's
with
where we
the
get
bay
it
leaves.
from.
Yeah. People say that this is pink salt in Australia, but really it is. And some people
So
think...
what's the name of it?
I really forgot the name, but...
It's called Himalayan salt.
Oh yeah! Himalayan salt.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot to tell you.
What's the most
We
important
can't
one?
make suksuk without dried suksuk.
Yeah, that's couscous. Then we prepare it later and add in water. Yeah.
If you don't know what couscous looks like, it looks like this. Couscous in Australia is couscous, but in Algeria it's called suksuk.
Yep.
Guys, we're now going to chop them up. But before you do that, you have to ask your mum like this. Mommy, Daddy, can I please chop them up for me? I'm too small to do this. Okay? Remember that because that's the important thing. Oh dear, we're missing something. Do you know what it is? Yes, you got it right. It's the herbs. Over here, we are in our backyard. So we are going to pick parsley, some rosemary, and some thyme. Oh, didn't you see our first video? We introduced these to you, didn't we?
Louise,
Yeah.
do you want to pick some thyme?
Yep, this thing is thyme.
Yep. Hurry up, girls. Let's go back to cook some dinner.
Come on.
I don't think we're going to eat this dinner today.
Yep.
Louise, hurry up.
Okay, I got some parsley. I'm just gonna get a few more.
Enough. Now let's get some of the thyme. So we do the same thing. We just cut. Here it is. Here. No, that's enough.
Thank you.
Okay.
So let's
go
go
back.
inside. First, let's turn the thing on. Then my mum is going to put in the olive oil. Mum, can you please hold? Sure I can. Followed by the onion and garlic. Okay. Just the onion and garlic, Mum. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to put in the herbs and then mix it up.
Can you just remind the kids what these are?
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. This cut of thing, this really small one is rosemary. This is parsley. And this is thyme.
Okay.
Yummy!
Okay.
careful when you mix it up.
Okay, next.
Okay, now I think we pour in this.
Not yet.
Oh wait, not yet. Put it back. Oh yeah, meat. Dad, do we pour in the
Yeah.
chickpeas too?
Put the meat first. Why not, Louise?
Because it tastes slimy.
Yeah, but when it's cooked,
It's really
Yeah.
slimy.
okay.
Slimy.
Next you put
This is.
spices.
Do we put all of it in?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it. Can I go there? Can I go there?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, it's cool.
You can put it in, Louise.
Put it in.
I can do it. Daddy.
Yeah, go on, go on.
Woo! Okay, put it back there.
Now you put some water.
Now we put some water in so then it doesn't go fully dry.
That's better.
See how it's calmed down? Okay, now me and my sister are going to pour these things in. I'm going to pour this in.
Yeah, Louise, you put the chickpeas.
Now she's going to put in the rest of the ingredients. Put it in.
Louise, it's gonna be very yummy.
Can I hold? Can I put it in?
Yeah.
Put it in. Pour it in.
All of it, Louise, all of it.
I'm holding and do it.
Louise, otherwise it's gonna burn. Yes. Yeah, I can aim him.
I
Yeah.
can do it.
Yeah. She's very independent, this little girl.
This little girl, she's very independent. She likes to do everything herself.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so we add some water.
Yeah. Add some water.
Can I do the water?
Yeah, see? Told you she's independent.
Told you she's independent.
That's it. So what we can do now, kids, is we close it.
Close it so then we don't get burned.
So we put 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Okay.
High pressure.
5 to 15.
Yeah, press.
So this one?
Yeah, 15 minutes.
So right now it is
Press. Until you see 15.
15.
Yep.
Let's start. Did you count with me?
And then you put start. Yep.
Yep.
Yay.
While the sauce is cooking, we are actually going to make the real couscous with the couscous. Now, as you can see, my dad actually put in the first box of couscous, but now I'm going to pour in this couscous. Then I'm going to pour it in with water, and then I'm going to do the fun part, mixing it with my hands. Okay, let's start.
Okay.
Water. Okay, mixing it now.
Make sure you wash your hands, kids.
Oh yeah, make sure to wash your hands. Oh god, this is
All of it.
satisfying.
Go around.
It's kind of like foam. Now we are going to pour it into here. Yeah. Into this big bowl like earlier. And then we have to put it back in the steamer to put it so then we can cook it for another 8 minutes. Steam it for another 8 minutes. We put in the salt? Yes. Okay.
Mix it. Okay, and then what's the next step now?
We steam it for 10 minutes.
Okay, okay, kids.
Dinner is ready. My sister, she couldn't wait to have it, so she just had a bite. Oh, look, we have these Berber dresses. Aren't they cute?
They are beautiful.
I know. Okay, now we're going to show you how we put the couscous and the sauce together. The sauce, it is rice Here. Oh, yum. Yum.
I like the sauce.
The sauce is really yum.
Wanna sit down?
Okay, bon appetit, girl.
Well, guys, thank you for watching this video. Maybe your mum and dad could make this recipe to try out this Algerian couscous. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and click the like button to say that you like the video. Bye. Come back soon.